Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my beautiful one in the house. Depend on where you are today. All weather is back again. You know, whenever you see all weather, meaning there's good news for you, there's information and advice that are very, very important. I just want to quickly respond to some of my people that dropped message for me that call me concerning this hookup. They ask me, Mama, why can't you do it on YouTube or live video? In this way, we can help more people. But the problem, not that I don't really, it's not a good idea. It's a good idea, my beautiful ones. The problem is that, one, I don't have time. I don't really have time. I don't think I will have 2 hours or 1 hour to spend on live video doing that. I don't have that time, which is short. Then why the second part of it is that I thought of it before, but I don't I don't really I find it difficult to introduce somebody that I've not met before, that I've not seen before, that I don't even know his character. To introduce that kind of person to another person. It is not still a big deal, but the problem is that we, some of us, we find things difficult. If, for example, somebody introduce you to somebody you don't know, you are no longer a baby. You need to play your part very, very well. You that is looking for a man, or you that is looking for a woman, you have to know what you want. You cannot just get a perfect man. It is not possible. Say this person in every aspect of that person's life is perfect. No, no, I disagree. It might be truth, but for me, there is no perfect man, there is no perfect woman. Something must, that person must have something that is that you don't like. So with that reason, you need to have it in your mind that there is no perfect man. You have to take the man the way he is, or you have to take that woman the way he is, because there is no home, there is no marriage, there is no relationship that is perfect, as in they don't have misunderstanding. Quarrel, misunderstanding is bound to occur, but what really matters is ability to settle it. That matters a lot. That is just it. If you understand the kind of man you are going out with, or the kind of woman you are going out with, or your husband, yes, it happened. If it happened, then you can still settle it. That is just it. Maybe, for example, someone introduce you to somebody that you don't even know, that person don't even know. Ah, let the person come. Okay, is it the kind of person you want? Appearance, va bene. Okay, what about the characters? Then, even though the person don't have character, you as a man or you as a woman that know what you want, you have to put that person through. You have to make that person the kind of person you want. Firstly, the first thing, just see the physical appearance. If the person is the kind of person you want, ah, I like the appearance. The rest thing, even though it's not perfect, you can repair it. That is why we have repairer. There is repairer. You can repair, you can build that man or you can build that woman to your taste. But some people, once you introduce this kind of people, to this person, he's going to tell you, if problem occur tomorrow, he's going to tell you, which type of dirty person you brought for me, which type of this, they will start spoiling your name. But that not really matter. Even though they spoil your name, even though you are good, people, they can spoil your name. If you are bad, it can still happen. People can still say things about you. That one is not just a problem. So if, for example, I decided to be doing it on YouTube, I know I would be having many people, a lot of people. Please, guys, if I should do it, if I want to do it, if I decide to do it, the only thing I will tell you, this person, I've not seen her or I've not seen him before, I've not met him, so I don't really know he or her character. If you like this person, you continue. If you don't like it, you don't like the person, you forget about it. You forget about it. That is just it. That is just it. If you know that this person is not your type, he is not, maybe you just, and first, you have to play your role very, very well. Because you that is looking for somebody, it can be both side. Yeah, it's both side. You that is looking for a man, You see a man, you have to bring yourself down. Not just to bring it down as in as a rag. No. You know what you want. Likewise, the men. You have to be patient. Not everything you will start shouting, start quarreling, start running up and down. No. Because there is no way, there is no home that is perfect, as I said earlier. So guys, you have to be very, very careful. So for now, if I have time, I would like to do it. But for now, I don't really have that time to come online video or to stay more than 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. I don't have that time for now. So guys, the way I'm just doing it, I prefer it now. If tomorrow I have that time, I would like to come and assist everybody. Help ourselves. We need to help ourselves. You understand? So anytime I introduce, first let me appreciate those people that have been in. Let me just put it that way, that everything work out. I praise God for that. I'm happy anytime I remember that, yes, this is what I did. I'm always happy for that. Please guys, let me use this opportunity to give you advice too. There is no home that there is no fight, there is no misunderstanding, so you need to settle it amicably. That's for that. And another thing, let me advise some of our women. If for example somebody ask you or tell you, come, this man is a nice person, meaning that person know what he or she is talking about. Don't worry, this person is a nice person. You that is looking for something and you want to go for something, you don't even know the kind of thing that you are going for, but this person that is telling you, this person is a nice person, or maybe another person said it before, you need to just give a try. You try it. Don't just say, no, I have somebody in mind already. Do you know why I'm saying this thing? Something just happened. It is true that, yes, if you have somebody in mind, if another person asks you or tell you, this person is a nice person, it is true, Verbena, it can happen, it's not a problem, but you have to be careful. Because this person that you are going for, you don't even know him. You don't know her. You don't even know who is she or who is he. You have to be careful. At the end, you will be the one to regret it. I don't know. I wish I know. That auntie tell me. My sister, you have to be very, very careful. If at all, this is what I'm thinking. I don't know if it's right. Maybe, for example, you are looking for somebody. This one is an example. You are looking for somebody and you know that, yes, you don't even have time anymore. There is no time for you. Not that there is no time for you, but you know your age. Someone introduce you to somebody. Even though you have something in your mind, somebody in your mind. If I were you, I won't tell that person, yes, this is no, I'm not single, I'm occupied. No. I will be watching you, I will be watching the other person. I will be testing this one, I will be testing the other person. What you will use to test, I know everybody are not the same. What you use to test this person, use it to test the other guy. If it's going to work out, if they are going to hurt the same. Because this is the person, you have not met two of them before, but this person that is close to you, or your elder sister, or your younger sister, or your friend, or somebody is trying to hook you up. The person is asking you, look at this person is a nice person. Try to give him chance. You have to do that. At the end, the person that you have not even met before, that your heart, it will scatter, it will disgwagwa it for you. It just happened. It happened. That is why I'm saying it. If someone said, okay, this person, go out with this person, just try this person, not go out with, try this person. This person is a nice person. You have to do it. Try it. Just try it. If it work out, fine. If it don't work out, you can still take your things and move out. At the end, this person was saying, no, I have somebody before. I have somebody. There's somebody I like. I even asked this person, did you know the person? How is he? Mama, is okay. He's a good person. How do you know that he's a good person? How do you know? At the end, do you know what happened, my dear? I don't want to tell the story because I don't even have time now. So, my people, let me leave you. If there is anything, if there is any question, please don't fail to call me. Don't fail to leave it in my comment section. If you don't want to leave it on my comment section, just call me. I will respond. And if you know, for now, I don't have that time to come online. If you know you need somebody, a girl or a woman or a man or a boy, anyone, if anyone is available, I will let you know. Please, if it happen that way, you have to play your part very, very well. Let me leave you guys. See you on my next video. If today is your first time of seeing my video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to notify, to share, and to like. And if you like my video, don't fail to give me thumbs up just for encouragement. I love you all. See you on my next video. Ciao.